Let me guess. You learned object-oriented programming in school, and they told you inheritance was the answer to everything. Want a dog? Extend animal. Want a talking dog? Extend dog. Yada, yada, yada. Excessive inheritance is the fastest way to turn your code base into the family reunion from hell. Think about a video game. You gotta have a troll. Okay, he has to have a club. It's in the job description. Gonna need a class called Troll with Club. Now, it's a dangerous world we live in. Grab some armor. Now he's Troll with Club and armor. Wait, what? Butterfingers dropped the club? Well, now he's Troll with armor. This is class explosion, and it's stupid. You're hard-coding every possible combination of existence. Look at this code. Encrypted, compressed, logged, file, stream. Are you kidding me? When your boss tells you to add a network feature, and yeah, I'm looking at you, Skippy, are you really going to double your number of classes? This code is rigid, it's brittle, and it makes me want to cry. The solution? Stop inheriting. Start wrapping. This is the decorator pattern. It's like popping a case on your phone. Yeah, the phone still works like a phone, but now it's shockproof. Yeah? Next, slap a battery pack on that puppy. Now it's got more power. You're adding features around the object, not cramming them into it. Here's the trick. The wrapper, the decorator, it's got to look exactly like the thing it's wrapping. If the original object implements an interface called sender, the decorator has to implement sender. The client code don't know and don't care it's talking to a wrapper. We create a base decorator class, and it's got one job. Hold a reference to the wrappee. That's the next layer in the onion. When you call a method on it, it just turns around and yells at the wrappee, "Yo, do the work." It passes the buck, kind of like your boss. Now, let's do something kind of sort of useful. In our encryption decorator, we hijack the write data method. We take the data, we scramble it, and then we pass it down the chain. We added behavior at runtime, and we didn't have to touch the original class. Booyah! If you're a Java dev, I feel you. You're probably twitching right now, looking at buffered reader, wrapping input stream reader, wrapping file input stream. Oh yeah, it's ugly to write, but hey, guess what? That's the decorator pattern in the wild. It's annoying, but it's way, way, way better than having a class called buffered input stream file reader. The real power move here is runtime composition. Check out this logic. Is the security level high? Wrap that baby in encryption. Is disk space low? Wrap it in compression. You're building the object's personality on the fly. Try doing that with inheritance. Yeah, spoiler, not happening. Bottom line, inheritance is static and rigid. Decorators, they're dynamic and flexible. If you want to add features like logging, caching, or encryption without a class hierarchy that looks like a family tree from Game of Thrones, use a decorator. Just saying.